fit any assassin din and your friend saying mechanic. Sana prophet kumichacha my sister me YouTube no baby am should be am change here floor and am too much GH. Share na prophet kumichacha me so me share.
For me, my obibia a quaba cassia pan the Batumajig, other day, AMSC cow, most so for I'm doing somewhat. I circulating what on my moon about personality for you say election course so a year campaign room in Semble Drona the course so and I to Abacracha say in Semble Drona intense Ghana and a course no chin so a coba say easy. Be declare election so and also so up to date Ghana bold de na nini name no emrana election collation ekosono TV3 the report be to Ghana the report be not just figures no and tally with a year EC and the report and the figures are whatever out now and no Ghana for be actually woman dream at the farm as I said TV3 station be actually so we reliable Dimumo, a young Ghana Haitema, Dudona, a disappointed woman reporter, one to say, one more Rashi, and the Betu Janete for Yaka say, a year journalist, former journalist, and also a year TV3 and the TV Bridget O2, one also a release video, one also Canadian. Edify a year near a reporter, a year TV3 for Edinburgh and Rana election. Question and then be a walk and said. A TV3 presenter, accusing us at now and it did Alfred in a day, and you're not crying, I see you blaming what you say. Was to say, almost the hard work pan I build it TV3 managed baby a dream. So, managers need big to wow, one more day. One more story and parties and not as almost reform, no more acting due to one party beer. One more pen, about someone who kind of was to say, and run report, I want you figures, no. Uncle, so concentrating on a reliable source, since say, NPP for your madam for no much report from was straightforward that, one more verify, no, and one will do a day no D and your professionals and say, you can't come to me and far report and G figures. I will verify and son I would be at Tuganity for a year, I buy you a Bridget or to someone what kind of video can we
watch on TV3's what should have been an apology instead an explanation. When you make a mistake, you own up and apologize. And for a station like TV3, I expected them to apologize and move on or let it die. Instead, they're doubling down, explaining nothing. TV3, remember your presenter said, you know for sure, and your projection is based on 275 seats. We're talking parliamentary seats, and he kept stressing those two statements we know were not statements of facts. In fact, they were lies, pure and simple. And I expected that, you issue a letter to apologize and move on. And the sad aspect is that you have producers at TV3, presenters at TV3, who are working hard verifying their figures, and yet there's the manager who is sitting in the office, has zero idea what goes into production, and is calling the shots. Comes in and says, Joy FM is going on there, so go. Oh, let's go with what we have. And the dangerous part about this is that some of the people there were compromised, and they were taking their figures from the NPP. Look, it's okay if you have friends in the NPP, and it's okay if you even have friends in the NDC. But when they give you figures, you must verify. You cannot let your partisanship influence a decision that should have been influenced by your reporters and your reporters who were on the ground, who were following it. Don't be in a rush to announce something. I mean, look at this embarrassment. And I feel so bad for somebody like Alfred. Guys, please stop attacking Alfred. Alfred is just the guy who presented the show. The figure he mentioned was given to him by a producer who also probably got it from someone, and the person was also getting it from him. But you shouldn't be taking your figures from a party that has an interest in this election. And when that happens, you expect that a state that suspended a presenter who used her resources, her private account to do her personal things, to do the decent thing and apologize. Instead, they coward. They don't even have the effrontery balls of a dead in this election. And when that happens, you expect that a station that suspended a presenter who used her resources, her private account to do her personal things, to do the decent thing and apologize. Instead, they coward. They don't even have the effrontery or the balls of a dead cockroach to apologize. They're making excuses. And that is embarrassing, and TV3 should really be embarrassed. We worked for this station. We know how hard the people there work. But then you have the people who take decisions, don't give a hoot about people's professionalism, people's reputation, and then they rubbish all the work that these people have put in weeks and months because a station is going and they have a political interest. Please.
Say na ekwono wa wo hwe video ene ni nsem a wo ka wo mu no kore na wo ka no wo dika ana say TV3 for no so mujuma no mudi say wo mo pese o mo report first and no the information to your first na san ne yo mo ye ma ba yo about aka so mujuma de o mudi na enye professional no no ana say ne tie bia me didi say wo adwenkyere ho benya so beja wadwenkyere dia to your comment section ho the ama ya fe so subscribe ya no wetu ana mo no subscribe say ne be ya too much if you dey case did you me dey bia to ma so sabe to me akabi na wetu me akire wadwen ene dey so emuni aba mesika na dikita wi ebe so mo na before me dey mensam no ebe sika e wonju me kwa wo mo so ya se mama Juliet Ventures oba opese wo kitchen wo ye enika dia no afọ ma Juliet na ma no be bo amane onye wo kitchen dia won sa aka fe long master man long within 24 hours the yanso government worker e wo Ghana na wa for the ability no mo rating so there e wo from crombe wow ama when you urgent money for urgent project for aha enemre be ma me kwan na me demo esi na ni nyine mo no bo mo de na share na like e promote channel way that's ne ye besan Asia makam